la 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 la. Alright, it's not that kind of video. Anyways, I'm I'm here to introduce you to my new polygel something box of goodies, okay? So this is the BN Nail Gel Extension Builder. What is the enhancement kit? NT kit? Okay. Yes, them right, it's a fancy, I could have barely read it. Anyways, it comes in this big pretty box. I love the design on the box. You see how them catch me with all these gorgeous beautiful colors and stuff? Grab us right away, because it did sure grab me. So I was like, yes, I have to get it. Anyways, let me open it up and see what's inside. Okay, look how pretty inside is. Gosh, it comes with, you know, already the BN Babe. Oh, it's calling me baby, or it's saying baby name. Oh, I'm offended. I thought it was for me. It called me babe, but it's fine. BN Nail, Babe Nail, and it comes with instructions with pictures. You see them? Let me show you, just in case you can't read. There's no shame in your game. You can still do the nails. You can see them. You can see the picture diagrams and you can follow them. So no shame in your game, but still go and get into a class, because they have them for everybody. And all the product information and instructions are on here. And just in case, you know, there's a Babe Nail guarantee card. You can scan this and you can get to their Instagram, and it says, dear friend, thank you for choosing Babe Nail among many products. Babe Nail is committed to, look here, I can't read so good enough. I have on my glasses so I can't see either. Committed to providing you salon level effect in what? The private of your home. I thought it was the privacy of your home, but anyways, private of your home by using our professional nail polygel, allowing you to get fascinating and beautiful nails in a simple and fast way. Me not read the rest, that is enough. And then on this part here it says Instagram, them email, them website, and all them something there. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. And look at this. It says product received, satisfied. You write a product review, share your experience with others. And then on the other hand, if you don't like it, you see all this when I'm telling you, if you don't know if you say anything nasty about them on the review. When they say if you're satisfied, you write a review. If you don't satisfy, don't disrespect the people them product. Go ahead and contact them and let them help you. Don't be disrespectful, because it's rude. You know how rude it is when I put up a video and people give me a thumbs down and I'm putting my heart and soul into it. Anyways, let me come out of that, because that's not what this video is about. It's about the BN Nail Gel thing. There we go. Okay, so it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, and they're all in 20-ounce bottles. And this one is the soft pink. This one is the white, clear, dark pink, misty rose, and the apricot. You know what I noticed with all these gel nail polygel kits, that they all have an apricot. And then the nice thing is I want to do a swatch on all the apricots, because they all are different colors. And then it comes with the professional nail tips. These are the forms. Comes in this cute little box, and they are all sized. Don't judge how my hand them look. Alright, don't judge. I'm just taking out my thumb so I can try this thing out. Let me use a little alcohol and wipe off the thumb real quick so I can get this thing. That's my alcohol squeezing right there. Like, wipe that off with some alcohol, because I had some gel on it. So yeah, that's why I have on the gloves. Anytime you see me in the gloves, I hide my crosses on them, because them dirty and filthy and all kind of bad stuff. So these fit my nails, because I have small nails from sidewall to sidewall, just a little bit off. I mean, I think they shouldn't have take the sides in that much, but if you have really small nails, this should work for you. And it has a decent length on it, you know, so that's not bad. Okay, there we go. So, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I think there's like 10 in each row, so you don't have to worry. You have enough to last you a lifetime. Yes, because these are reusable. They're not nail tips, they're nail forms. And oh, I never mention it, they have these little tabs on the side to help you to wiggle off this when you dry it in the dryer. I never use these, to be honest. I don't know how to use them. There are people out there who are great at using them. I am not. So I'm going to put these to the side. So I love the fact that they give you options. They give you these nail forms what I know I use all the time. And they give you 2 bunches of it. Yes, me get 2 of them. So you can have do nails, your nails, your friend nails, your brother nails, your sister nails. Hey, nails. Anyway, stop it. Alright, and you get a buffer. See, me can't get it out. Call me Gucci like that. Yes, I said Gucci. And it's nice. I think it's a 180, 240. And don't quote me on this. I'm just following somebody when my ear said that before. Yep. Not follow people. That's a good thing to do sometimes if it's not a bad thing. It comes with a brush. And it's in this tube for its own protection. And on one side you have the picker. This is the cutter. It cuts the product from the tube, and you take that cutter and you put it on your nail, and bam, you start with the brush. Here is the brush. I like the brush. It has very long bristles. It's not as stiff as normally they would come, but it looks good. I can't wait to try it out and see how it works for myself. I'm not going to try it out today because, yes, I'm going to try it out though. I have to try it out as soon as possible so you can see it. But I'm not going to try out the brush today. Terrible. I'm just doing the unboxing and I'm going to show you the colors. And then I will do, this is the base coat. Let me smell how a base coat smell. Because people always do the smell test. I don't see the point of it because they all smell like glue. Yeah, smells like glue. Yeah, it smells like glue. They all have that same smell. I don't know. So this is the base coat. And this is the top coat. Let me see if it smells like glue too. But the smell is very slight. It's not strong like some of them. Yeah, it smells like glue too. It does. I don't know why they always smell that way. I've never smelled anything that smells great. But it doesn't smell bad, but look how pretty them things is. Oh my god, them color here is beyond beautiful, them gorgeous. Yes, I love all them pretty. This is the top coat and the base coat, people. Alright. And then give this. In case them ain't never pretty enough and all of them cute something there and them never all gorgeous enough, they give you glitter, baby. Because them know say, you want to entice women with colors. We don't want glitter too. Blah. Here we go. And it come in this cute little oval shaped container with all this gorgeous glitter. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, this glitter is amazing. It's amazing. Yes. Oh my gosh. And it's so much. Normally it's one little teeny tiny tip and one little small container. Y'all know the containers I'm talking about. Yeah. But they're giving us a lot more bang for our bucks in these products. Okay, so I'm going to open these up and I'm going to swatch them for you real quickly. I'm going to use a piece of nail form paper because I always have those because, you know, I'm a nail form using kind of girl. So, you hear that rip? That's the rip of the paper, baby. Okay, so me now go switch the swatch the white because everybody know what white look like, or I should swatch it. Okay, and they open up really nice and easy, and I have to fight with them like some products. So I'm gonna squeeze this right here. Come off on it on. Alright, and they give you a decent squeeze. Okay, so, and it's a really thick, gorgeous glob. Ooh, this is soft pink. You be the judge. Is this soft? Because I don't know. I don't think this is a soft pink, but it's beautiful pink. Okay, but it's not soft. Soft is not what it is. Okay, that's not soft. It looked like a guy in a dress. I'm so sorry. Don't mean to disrespect, but I mean, like, not a transgender person. No disrespect to any gender. Sorry. Anyways, I'm not too sensitive. If you don't want to wear dresses, it should be hard back like this. Pink. Anyways, okay. Let's open up the clear. Open. Because I do love y'all. Y'all beautiful people. Anywho, let's squeeze out the clear and see if it's super clear for you. Because sometimes I say clear and when you put it on your nails, it have a tinted look, like, you know, you're clear going on dirty water. And there it is. It looks clear to me. I can see clearly now. The clear is clear. Oh, but now teeth that's not copyright, maybe. I don't know. Me just make up my own words to it, so if I am, sorry. May I go in may I put myself in all kind of trouble right now. Okay, so this is the dark pink. That's not dark pink, so let's do the dark pink, people. Let's look on the dark pink right now. Oh, there's not dark. It's so pretty though. It's not. It's like a bubblegum pink. Like, oh my god, a hot pink. But they say dark pink, so that's what I'm working with. It's dark pink. Okay. Look how much I'm proud of me squeezing out. I'm only me half a waist. All right. Anyway, this is called the Misty Rose. And if I'm gonna put a little warning. Don't be offended in anything I said in this video. Don't need to be, you know, exiled by anyone. Just in fun. Just in fun. No rudeness intended. This is the Misty Rose, okay? And they said this one is a temperature. Oh, the dark pink is a temperature changing one as well. It changes to a milky purple. And this one changes to a transparent red. Okay. Okay. So this is the Misty Rose and it's supposed to change to a transparent red. And that one is supposed to change to a milky purple. So they better make sure say change them colors there, because me would have loved to see that color. I'm gonna lose my mind today. Today. Okay? Well, alright, me have to go to this. My office see this. And this also, the apricot is also a color changing gel. And it changes to a milky orange. Yeah, so here we go with the apricot. Oh my god. I think this is the prettiest apricot I've ever seen. Are you seeing this, guys? Yeah. Oh my god. You know what? Me this time I not try out the people them white. But that's disrespectful. Me go try out the white. Because it come in at the kit. I'm in a business if all white look the same. I want to see if it dry in the nail lamp. Because some whites do not. You have to have a LED lamp. If you have a UV lamp, it won't dry. Alright. It's so hard to come out of the tube, so bear with me, people. Here we go. Okay, the white is a little bit subtle and soft. Yes. Look at all them color there. Look how much I'm something me and waist up. Alright. Wasting it. I don't care. Oh, no one look at it. I think it's a little bit wasting it when we do this. We should have just do my nails. But they're so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna put them in the light. I'm gonna put them in the light so we can't lose my mind. We can't lose my mind. Let me see how long. Alright, it's got 60 seconds in the light. So for this 60 seconds, I'm gonna tell you to say, hit the subscribe button. Ring the bell as well. Give me a thumbs up. Let me see if you can see. Thumbs up. Not down. Up. Okay? Up with your thumb. And comment in the comment section. Because I always say that wrong. Comment in the comment. Comment in the comment section. Yeah, it's always wrong. Comment in the comment section below. You know, when you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the video, that's where you can comment. Because some people don't know that. Yes, you comment in the comment section below. Follow me on all my social medias. And don't forget to be fly like Regina Nails be fly. Okay, so my light not moving. Okay, here we go. All of that, and it wasn't moving because I forgot it's just a piece of paper and it's not a hand. It won't sense it. So me have to turn it on manually. My bad. So, hi, how are you doing today? I'm good. How about yourselves? Y'all like my channel? Because it doesn't seem like it. I have over 800 subscribers, and guess how much views I get? 40, 35, 26. Y'all don't like watching nails videos? What is it? Do I have to put my ugly face up in here for y'all to see that I genuinely love you people? I genuinely love you people. You understand me? I genuinely love you. Maybe it's my ugly face y'all want to see. Tell me if it was... Comment if you watch the video and you reach into this section where I'm sitting here talking about foolishness because I'm trying to wait on my clock to go off and all them something there. Now I got my thing. There we go. Ooh, look at that. So the colors were supposed to change to a milky purple and a transparent red and a milky orange, and all I see is white. I mean, am I crazy? Or are all those colors kind of white to you? This is a milky white. This is a milky kind of orange looking, and this is a milky white. So they all turn kind of white. They all look white to me. I might be wrong, but they all look white. But they did change the colors, so that's cool. And I love how the clear is, wow. The clear is beautifully clear. Like, that's the only thing I'm not disappointed in. I'm kind of disappointed in the color changing ones. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm kind of disappointed. But they did change. They said they were going to change, so they changed. So that's a good thing. But I love how the clear turned out. I love how the white turned out. The white is so soft. I think this is the best white that I have so far in polygel. I think that is the best one. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video today. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know I said that before. But may I say it again just because I can't do it. I have time. I may pack up these things right back into here. So into my kit, into my kit. And then I'm going to do my nails with them, and I'm going to enjoy myself, and you people are going to enjoy my set because I'm going to put it up on my YouTube channel because that's what me have it for. They make sure so I want to enjoy it. I might give this away to a fan. If y'all can get me to 1,000 subscribers before the end of November, I will give this away. But if not, I'm keeping it for myself. Alright? I hope I don't feel offended. But I'm gonna keep it for myself if I don't get to my 1,000. Yes, I'm doing it like that. I mean it. I'm being like that. I'm being that person. I'm being that person right now. It's tit for tat. Tit for tat, guys. Tit for tat. Okay. So, sorry if I offended anybody, because I don't think you should be offended if you choose a lifestyle. You should not be offended. I'm just covering that up because of the light, the light's glaring. But this is my beautiful BN Bay Nails Nail Gel Extension Builder Enhancement Antique Kit, and I really enjoy opening it up and, you know, swatching it and looking at all the beautiful things that they gave me, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. I will leave the link for it in the description below. So bye guys, love you all, bye bye.